Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling something fundamental in finance, something you just can't get away from, time itself.
That's right.
Specifically, option theta. People call it the time decay Greek. Our goal here is pretty simple. Understand how the calendar, day by day, chips away at an option's value.
Yeah, and it's kind of wild. With options, time isn't just background noise. It's actually a cost or a potential gain.
Cost.
Yeah, Theta basically measures it. It tells you, all else being equal, how much value an option is likely to lose just because another day ticked by.
So like the price just melts.
Exactly. Think of the extra premium you pay over the option's real intrinsic value. That's the part Theta attacks. It's like ice melting, yeah. Theta's the rate of melt.
Okay, let's get straight to the point then. Who wins and who loses? If I buy an auction, like a call or a put, is theta my friend or foe? Simple question.
Simple answer. It's almost always your foe. If you're long an option holding it, your theta is negative.
Negative theta, meaning?
Meaning time passing hurts you. Every day, a little bit of that value you paid for evaporates because there's less time left for the option to work out.
Right, so you're carrying that melting ice block.
You got it. Now flip it. If you sell an option, if you're short.
You collect the premium up front.
Precisely. Then you typically have positive theta. Time passing actually helps you. You're essentially collecting that decay day by day. It's income.
Okay, that makes sense. But does it decay at the same speed every day? Like, smoothly?
Oh, definitely not. And that's crucial. It's not linear at all. The decay speeds up a lot.
It accelerates. When?
Especially as you get closer to the expiration date, it's really nonlinear. Think about it, like an option might lose half its remaining time value just in the last month or so.
Wow. Okay. Why does it speed up so much then?
Well, the closer you get to the deadline, the less chance there is for a big price move to happen, right? The uncertainty just collapses towards the end. So that time premium vanishes faster.
And what about where the stock price is relative to the strike? Does an option deep in the money decay the same as one right at the money?
Good question. No. The fastest decay usually happens with at the money options.
At the money, why there?
Because that's where the uncertainty is highest. Is it going to finish in the money or out? It's kind of like a 50-50 shot. So those options have the biggest chunk of that time premium, that extrinsic value for theta to eat away at.
More, maybe value means more for theta to chew on.
Exactly. And don't forget volatility. Higher implied volatility means there was more time premium baked in to begin with, so the daily theta loss will also be bigger. More ice to melt.
Okay, this is clicking. So how do traders actually use this in the market? What's the strategy implication?
Right. Well, if you're selling premium, maybe doing iron condors, covered calls, that sort of thing, you want positive theta.
You're trying to harvest it.
You're trying to harvest it. You want time to pass, ideally without big price swings, so you can just collect that daily decay. Time is literally your profit engine.
But if I'm buying options, like a speculator,
then you're fighting theta. You know it's dragging down your position every single day. So your trade needs something else to work, and work relatively quickly. You need the stock price to move significantly in your favor, or maybe volatility to spike up just to overcome that constant headwind from time decay.
So you monitor theta along with the other Greeks, delta, gamma.
Absolutely. You watch theta to understand that daily P&L drift just from the clock ticking. It tells you how much you're paying or earning just for holding the position another day.
Okay, so boiling it down, long options, time hurts you. Negative theta.
Yep.
Short options, time helps you. Positive theta.
That's the core takeaway. You're either paying for time or getting paid by time.
Simple enough. Thanks for breaking that down.
My pleasure. Maybe a final thought for everyone listening.
Go for it.
That it really highlights that the calendar itself is almost like a transaction cost in options. So when you're crafting a strategy, you absolutely have to ask yourself, am I the one paying for time here, or is time paying me? It changes how you look at everything.